I was 18 years old when my brother was killed in the line of duty. I had this crazy idea of rucking with a full sack for 35 miles, give or take a few, to bring awareness and fundraise for the families of fallen officers. The Marine Corps has instilled a lot into me of the family and the community and the brotherhood of taking care of somebody next to you.
Tim is a very passionate guy. He works harder than anyone I know. He's wanting to grow his foundation.
Monster truck. To date, we've probably given about $25,000 to $30,000 in scholarship money. We've definitely had our challenges. We've definitely had our difficulties.
The hardest thing about being without a car is that it's not easy for Tim to ask for help.
A running and sound vehicle would have an immediate impact on everything that I'm involved in. Knowing that I can always be there to give back, which is the ultimate goal, is just a burden that would be completely relieved. Nothing for you, buddy.
Tim?
Tim, yes, nice to meet you.
We were touched when we heard about the great things that you guys are doing in your community. And we at Midas repaired this car here for you and your family.
Basically, I'm speechless. Thank you. You like it, buddy? I feel like I'm the one that's supposed to be giving back because that's where my heart directs me to go. Everything leads me to giving to others and helping others and giving the shirt off my back, which is what I'm trying to do.